Alright, today we will show you how to install our 904313 Zephyr lock. It's Zephyr part number 1770. This is a grooved key deadbolt made for right hand opening doors. Very important when you start installing is to pay attention to the installation diagram on your boxes. Make sure you follow the order. They all have a part number on the back of the lock that matches the part number on the key. So that will tell you how to match up your keys and your locks when you get them back from your employees or students. The nuts and bolts are included in the package, and you will need a 3/8 inch nut driver or socket for the installation. To begin your installation, remove the key from the lock, bring the key in from the front of the door, and place your lock on the back of the door. The key will keep your lock from falling off while you grab your nuts and your bolts. So make sure you bring your bolt in from the front of the door, and your nut will come onto the back. And the same for the other one. And now tighten down with your nut driver. To operate, first unlock the door, then you can close the door and lock it.